Tired of manually copying call logs from Five9 into Salesforce? In 5 minutes, I will show you the exact integration that syncs everything automatically. No more double entry, no more human error, just clean, automated data flowing between both systems. We will start by finding the Five9 app on the Salesforce AppExchange, then install it. Let us go step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to the Salesforce AppExchange. For anyone who has not been there before, the AppExchange is basically Salesforce's app store. It's where you find all the third-party tools and integrations that plug directly into your Salesforce environment. And the reason we start here is simple. Installing through the official marketplace ensures you are getting the genuine, supported Five9 connector, not some sketchy third-party copy. So go ahead and type in appexchange.salesforce.com. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Five9, just the word. You do not need to add anything fancy like integration or connector. The AppExchange search is smart enough to pull up exactly what you need. Hit Enter to see the results, and you should see the official Five9 for Salesforce listing right near the top. It will have the Five9 logo, and it will say something like AppExchange Partner or Certified. That is the one you want. From the results, click on the official Five9 app listing. This will take you to the app's detail page, where you can read the description, check the requirements, and see what version of Salesforce it works with. Take a quick look at the reviews and the compatibility notes. This is where you can confirm it supports your edition of Salesforce. Most standard editions work fine, but it is always good to double-check. Now click Get It Now. And here is where I want to pause, because this integration is not free. And I know that can be a surprise if you were expecting a free tool. But here's the thing. In my experience working with this integration across multiple Salesforce orgs, the cost is well worth what you get. You are paying for a fully supported, professionally maintained connector that handles the complex back and forth between Salesforce and Five9. So the payment process is straightforward. You will be prompted to purchase a license, and the checkout is handled right through the AppExchange. Just follow the prompts to enter your payment details and complete the purchase. Once the purchase goes through, you will get redirected to a page where you can choose which Salesforce org to install it into. Make sure you select the correct production or sandbox environment, then click Install. The installation might take a minute or two to process. Salesforce is doing its thing in the background, deploying all the necessary components. Be patient with it. And that is it. Once the installation finishes, you will find a new Five9 tab or app launcher item inside your Salesforce environment. From there, you can configure the connection settings, map your call data fields, and watch those call logs start flowing in automatically. No more copy and paste, no more manual entries, just a clean, reliable sync between the platforms you use every day.